G'day, Lockie here. Welcome to the Sikkens How-To series, how to recoat a problem deck. Today we're going to take a close look at what could go wrong if you don't take the weather seriously. Always check the weather before applying the product. See, these are rain spots, and beware of morning dew or evening dew, which can be a problem. The only way to fix this is to sand it right back and go again. Due to the size of this deck, you could also use a floor sander to speed things up. Now that the sanding's done, I'm going to use a blower to clear any dust. Because the deck was in such good condition, we only need to give it a quick wash. Firstly, we hose the deck to wet it. Then we brush Sikkens Cetol BL Deck and Wood Cleaner over the deck. Use a stiff brush to work it in. We need to allow it to soak for no more than 15 minutes. If it's a hot or windy day, we may need to sprinkle water over it. It's important to keep the deck wet and let the cleaner do its work. Now we pressure wash the timber. I'm careful not to get too close to the timber. If it gets too close, it may damage the timber, and we don't want that. Allow the timber to thoroughly dry before you apply Sikkens Cetol BL Natural Decking Oil, which has excellent protection against mold, fungi, and UV. It also resists fading, flaking, and peeling. Here we'll be working on a pine timber deck. However, the process is much the same for all timber decks. Next job is masking up. The product will discolour any other surfaces that it comes in contact with, so we make sure it doesn't go where it's not wanted. Now it's time to get going. The fun part. It's important to ensure that it's stirred thoroughly so the pigment's mixed well to give an even finish. This also maximises the UV protection, ensuring the job looks better for longer. Just like painting, we use a small brush for cutting in. Careful to flick the brush at the end of the stroke so we don't end up with a patchy finish. Once the cutting in is done, we move to a long-handled deck brush, so I don't have to bend down. We work systematically in sections so we can see where we've been, top to bottom, careful not to paint ourselves into a corner. We are careful to apply in the direction of the grain. We cover the timber evenly, liberally, and thoroughly. With Sikkens Cetol BL Natural Decking Oil, we only need 2 hours for it to completely dry, and then we recoat. Let's hope it doesn't rain. And yes, I have checked the weather. Looks like we'll be okay. The recoat is simple. Same process. It goes on easier because it's on top of the first coat and the timber isn't able to soak up as much. We work to ensure an even, tidy finish. Normally, 2 coats are sufficient, but as we're on the coast near the beautiful Aussie beach, constant exposure to sand, salt and sun, we'll do a 3rd coat to increase the durability. There, all done. Looks great. Now I can spark up a barbie and get my mates over. Beautiful.